Hello, welcome to the Express Tips and Tricks 5-minute or less demo. I'm going to quickly go through some important tips and tricks. There are 3 sections to the Express software: Slide Maker, Slide Shows, and Manage Screens. In Slide Maker, I make slides. I can also bring slides in from other sources. Maybe my graphics design department created some in Photoshop, or somebody did some in PowerPoint, and we can bring them in as JPEGs. In the Slide Maker section is where we though build or bring in slides. In the Slide Show area is where I combine slides to make a show, and in Manage Screens I can add a schedule and schedule things to play so that I can day part the screen to be what I need it to be for that particular time of the day. So I can either make a slide from a template, and right here is a big tip and trick. You need to make sure that whatever resolution you choose to work in, you stay in that resolution across the system. You can change at any point, but if you change to a different resolution, you need to make sure that if you're creating shows or managing screens, you're in the same resolution. So whatever display you're going to show it on, choose that resolution and stay with that through the creation of that particular show and schedule. So we give you a bunch of templates to work from. There's more than 100 of them. They've got different labels: hospitality, automotive, retail, food service, etc. You can use any of them. If you like something in a template, you can use it and just change it. It changes 100%. You can take all the pictures out, all the words out, or change the words, whatever you want to do. I'm going to use a blank slide and create a slide from there. So here we go to my working palette. On the left are the tools I have to use. These are really a great offering of tools that will allow you to do almost anything you want to do. I'm going to start by bringing in some media. So I'm going to go to my media area. These are my images that I've got on my own hard drive. In the image library are images that are provided to everyone who buys an Express system. They have the royalties paid for by us, and so you can use them. There's lots and lots of different images in here, more than 100, and choose any one you want. I'm going to bring that one in as an example, and I'm going to bring that out to the whole screen. There we go. Maybe I'll move it down a little bit so it's more centered, or a little off to the side, whatever. There we go. It's down here. Okay, then I'm going to bring in some more media. I could bring in some Flash. Flash does not come with your system. This is things that I've created or that you would create and store in your Flash section. Same with video, H.264 video, MPEG-4. That's what we use in this system. You can bring those in and they're stored here. You note you don't see anything. You've got to actually go into the preview mode to see these, so you need to label them well so you know what they are. In the Add Media areas where I go out and pick up things off of my own hard drive that I might want to use in my slide. So again, I can just move things around as I want. I can add all the things that I want to add. Let's go ahead and add another little, there's a logo of a company that we've been working with. So there we go. Now, I can also add RSS feeds. These feeds are free feeds that we got a license with the BBC to use. And so I can run that all the way across the screen. You can see the border is growing there as I hit the width button. And I've got to go to the Save and Preview to actually see that play. So here we are. We're in the preview section. And again, this is not an attempt to make a pretty slide. It's an attempt to give you tips and tricks. So please understand that. This is certainly not a pretty slide. I could have had that RSS run all the way across the screen by simply running this width out all the way across the screen. All right, when I'm done, I want to name this thing something. And I'm going to save it and exit. And I'm going to go into slideshows. And here I can go into an existing slideshow, or I can edit a slideshow. And in the network schedule is where I edit or change schedules. I'm going to edit a schedule. Actually, I'm going to just go out and look at the whole system. Here's in this icon, if I hover, I can preview the sign, or over here I can actually schedule things. So I'm going to be quick and wrap this up. To schedule, I just drag and drop things out of the scheduler. I can turn the screen off at night, and in the morning by using the black turn off slide, it actually just puts it to sleep. It doesn't physically turn it off. So there's a quick look at tips and tricks. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you to learn and use Express successfully. Thank you very much for your time.